I think that we are more fragile than we understand, and we need each other.
Mm.
We need
Mhm.
relationships. I'm sure you've seen there have been a lot of headlines and stuff about there's a longitudinal Harvard study, and there are other studies as well about people as they grow older, what keeps them healthy. And it's not only about what you eat and how much you move,
Yeah.
it's about the quality of the relationships you have, the friendships, the family relationships. That's hugely important. And this ties back really to my work very much because I don't care what kind of company you work for or what kind of work environment you have, whether it's a startup or a large corporation or whatever. We're all humans gathering in various configurations to get stuff done, right? Or to figure stuff out. And people who are on those teams, people who are leading those teams, if we all don't intentionally address the fact that we're humans and actually we have relationships, and those relationships, those friendships, that collaboration is really worth developing
Yeah.
intentionally, our human skills, our communication skills, the amount of empathy we have for each other, the amount of time we allow ourselves to spend getting to know each other, learning how to talk to each other. If we don't do that, we break down. Our teams fail. We're not as productive. People have arguments. Those arguments don't get resolved because people don't have the skills to resolve them or they don't know each other well enough to want to resolve them. And then it
Mm.
festers, and then the leader's not prepared to mediate because they don't have those skills because the higher ups who promoted that person to that leadership role don't provide that kind of training a lot of the time, right? So I think we do leaders a disservice. We do team leaders a disservice. We do middle managers a disservice. Anybody who has to manage other people